Hello friends, so we are going to discuss CSIR NET questions of 2017 and 2018 on electrochemistry topic. So our first question is, if the specific conductance of an electrolyte solution is 0.2 and cell constant is 0.25, the conductance of the solution is. Here we have, first of all, write out which values are given. So value is specific conductivity is this one 0.2 and cell constant value is 0.25. And in our previous video we would discuss all the formulas of electrochemistry. You must go in description box and watch this video. So kappa relation is G into L by A, and this L by A is cell constant. So G into G star. From here G is equal to kappa upon G star, and kappa value is 0.2, G star value is 0.25. So here we can calculate, and value is 0.8. Next question is the predicted electromotive force EMF of the electrochemical cell. You have to find the electromotive force or EMF. So this is our cell potential. Fe, Fe2 positive, Cd2 positive, Cd. So this is the E naught standard reduction potential of iron. Reduction potential because it goes from higher oxidation to lower oxidation state. And this is also standard reduction potential of this one. So this is our cathode and this is anode, because oxidation occurs at anode and reduction occurs at cathode. So formula is E naught cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. So cathode is this Cd and standard reduction potential is this one put out, minus standard reduction potential of anode is this one. So after solving we get 0.044 and correct option is this second. So friends, you must have remind one thing, that we should use only standard reduction potential values in this formula. If we are given standard oxidation potential, then you must change this value only by changing sign, because you have to put only standard reduction potential. Our next question is standard cell potential for the reaction. This is 1.10 volt, the Gibbs free energy change during the reaction. You have to find the Gibbs free energy change in this reaction. This is our reaction. So Gibbs free energy change is equal to minus N F E naught cell. N is 2 because 2 electron transfer. F is Faraday, 1 Faraday, 96500, its value is fixed, almost given in the exam. E naught cell is this one given. Okay, so our value comes out minus 212 kilojoule per mole, and this is third option is correct. Next question, this is of 4 marks. Standard cell potential of cell. This cell was measured over a range of temperatures and data was fitted as. Here E naught value is given in this way. Look here, this is the full equation. Find standard entropy and enthalpy at 298 Kelvin. Okay, so first of all, this is our equation, and we know the standard entropy change is this one. This is the formula for entropy change, and we have value of E, and we have to find delta E upon delta T. So differentiate this E with respect to T. This is, if we differentiate this constant value, it is 0. After this is coefficient, after differentiating T upon T, it is 1 minus 0, and this is 2 T minus 0. Okay, differentiate it. So at 298 Kelvin, temperature value is 298. Put here temperature value 298. It full equation becomes 0. So our answer comes out this minus 1 into 10 to power minus 4. This is the value of delta E upon delta T. Now we have put all the values in this formula of standard entropy. So this is formula and delta E upon delta T value is this one. Faraday is 96500 and N value is 1 here. Okay, so this value is comes out in per kilojoule per mole per Kelvin per mole. This is this one, minus 9.65. For enthalpy delta H, first of all we have to find out delta G minus NF E naught cell. N is equal to 1, F is 96500 and E naught cell is 0.01. So E naught cell is 0.01 because here E naught is this one and we know temperature value is 298. If we have put here temperature value and here also, then it becomes out 0, 0 and our value of E naught is 0.01. So E naught cell is 0.01 and delta G naught comes out minus 965. So from this relation of delta G with enthalpy, delta H is enthalpy. So we know relation of delta G and delta H is this. Delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. So at delta H is equal to this one, put all the values. Del G is minus 965 plus temperature is 298. Del S value is this 9.65 minus K. So value comes out this one, minus 3840. So it is 3.840 kilojoule per mole. Correct option is first one, minus 9.65 and minus 3.84. So these are few of the questions on CSIR net. So thank you so much for watching guys, and please subscribe my channel.